Stopping for a water at this little mini-mart on my way to Kamala Beach. Going for a jog today from my villa. Thank you. This looks like a pretty nice place right here. It's called the Oasis Spa. Wouldn't mind checking that out a little bit later. It's a very popular area for like retirees and expats living in Phuket, which is why they have some pretty nice villas and spas and houses around here. And I'm just on my way to the beach, showing you around the area a little bit. I still prefer Koh Samui, but it's fun to visit Phuket just for a few days. And then after that, I'm headed back to Samui. Got a 7-Eleven right here. I've already got my water, so don't need to stop in there. Looks like straight up ahead we have like a little market selling fruits, coconuts. Hello. Hello. So if you want some fruit or something, you can get that here. Hello. Looks quite tasty. Maybe I'll get one on the way back. Coconut will sound pretty good after my jog on the beach. As you can see, it's a pretty beautiful area through here. Okay, so now we're coming up on the Kamala town center. This is the main city center on the island. And here they have a lot of like restaurants and bars, even some marijuana shops, as you can see here. There's one across the street, I believe, because marijuana is now legal to consume in Thailand, which is pretty interesting. Here's one right here. It's called the Doozy Cannabis Cafe and Bar. I'm not really into that sort of thing, but if I was, I could go in there. Here's a guy driving his motorbike on the sidewalk. Honestly, there's really not a lot to see. It's kind of a sleepy little town. Mostly like retirees and expats live around here. And obviously Phuket is a very large island, so there's many different districts you can explore. I think I'm going to cross the street right here. Not very much traffic. So this should lead straight to the beach, if I remember correctly. Here we've got a marijuana shop selling sativa and indica. I'm not going to stop in there, but just going to continue walking to the beach. Got a lot of song taos going up and down this street as well. This Aussie pub looks pretty popular across the street. Could be fun. I only brought 200 baht with me, so I'm just gonna get some food to eat and then head back to the villa. Just kind of wanted to get out and explore a little bit today and figured I'd bring my viewers along for the ride. Here's a kebab place in Kamala. Only 129 baht for a chicken shawarma, which is a pretty good deal. Got like a little coffee shop right here. This place looks pretty nice. Maybe I'll stop in there later on my way back. Still a little bit cloudy today, but it doesn't look like it's gonna rain, hopefully. This looks like a cool little restaurant right here. And I believe this leads straight to the beach. Although I haven't been back to Phuket for about 2 years now, so Haven't really explored Kamala very much. Okay, so I just asked a woman and she said the beach is straight this way and to the left. And she also invited me in for a massage. So you have to be careful of tsunamis here in Phuket. They occasionally get hit by some pretty bad storms on the island, which luckily we're safe from in Koh Samui, because it's in a protected area of the Bay of Thailand. So, this looks familiar. I think this goes straight to the beach. Okay, so we've made it to the entrance to the beach. It's just straight through here. Got a nice little wooded area and some little shops around here. Still pretty quiet though, I'm quite surprised. I figured Phuket would be doing better now after the pandemic, but I don't know. It's not quite to the level that I was expecting, but that's okay. These things take time. Patience is a virtue. So, this leads straight to the beach. Just have to cross this bridge, and then we'll be at the beach. Ooh, pretty good Thai, Muslim food there. Hello. Oh, I didn't bring my bathing suit. That was a mistake. Would like to get in the water, but it's looking pretty choppy at the moment. And they've got the red flags up, which means there's no swimming on the beach right now because the waves are too strong, but I still see people swimming out there. So they're obviously not taking the advice. But yeah. This is Kamala Beach. Check it out. Starting to get pretty hungry, so I think I'm gonna find a restaurant over here on the beach, somewhere to eat. Hello. Oh, maybe later. I only brought 200 baht with me, so it's not enough. Okay, I definitely want to stop for something to eat at one of these restaurants. Can find something for less than 200 baht, hopefully. Plenty of options to choose from. And not many people in the restaurants, which is still kind of sad. This place looks pretty cool. What is that called? Boat Bar and Restaurant. There's the menu. Got a real estate office here. It's called Phuket Real Property. If you're looking to invest in property in Phuket, that would be a good option. Stopping for lunch at the Coconut Beach restaurant here in Kamala. My cowpat guy just arrived. Ooh. Come back up. Thank you very much. Beautiful views from here of the beach.